Hi everyone. So today we're going to create a virtual fitness coach without any coding, just using V0, Groq, and also Cursor IDE to just help us to create a fitness coach website. So let's start. So right now we're going to use V0 to create a UI for us. So let's say we're going to create a virtual fitness coach in React White, TypeScript, and Bootstrap. And let's add some info for V0 to know what we need for the input. So maybe you can just say the app will generate, let's say, a workout plan based on the information given by the user prompt, such as age, height, weight, etc. So let's let V0 do the thing. So all the code has been generated, and right now we're going to create a React project. So go to our Cursor IDE, and let's just get a new window. And let's say we are going to add a new terminal, and we'll just like press this command cd desktop, and then we're going to do a npm create white latest. And we're going to call this project as fitness coach. And let's do it in React TypeScript. And next, we're going to open the folder. So go to the desktop and find your folder, which is called fitness coach, and select. You can see there are many files we need to use and copy. So instead of copy it one by one, we can just download it real quick. And we're going to create a component folder inside our project. And you can see that I've already created one. It's under src folder. So you create one components folder, and then we can just select userform.txx and then download. So make sure you name it as userform.tsx and then download it. So we can just do the same thing for the rest. As you can see, I've downloaded all the files I need, and right now I created the components folder, the utils folder that we need to just paste it to the project. Let's say we need a utils folder here. So next, we're going to just drag the files in the correct folder. Let's say for the workout plan and user form, we'll just drag it to the component folders. Let's just drag it to the component folders. And for utils, we're going to drag the workout generator.ts inside. And for the other tools, so you can see the app.txx and types.ts is in the src folder. So we can just go to here, drag this tool to the src folder, and you can just replace it. And after that, we need to install some packages for our projects, and go to our terminal, new terminal, and we just copy this thing, this tree, because this two, the first two we have already done it, is just create projects. So for now, we're going to copy these 3 lines, copy it and paste it on here and enter. And right now, we are going to update our main.txx. So just copy, go to our main.txx, and just paste it inside here. And don't forget to delete all the index.css and also the app.css. It's because we are using Bootstrap and we are no longer using these two CSS file. After that, you can just do npm run dev in your terminal to test out the UI. You can open the local host and see whether the UI is good. So you can see the UI here is pretty good and is usable. So right now we're going to input some value inside. Let's say the age, maybe I will say I'm 20 years old and this will be 160 cm, maybe 50 kg. Gender will be male. Fitness level may beginner. So my fitness goal is weight loss. So let's generate work plan. As you can see, this is the work plan. Next step, we are going to use Groq to call the AI to generate the workout plan for us. So we'll be using Groq, and let's go to the free API key. And remember, you will need to log in for the API key. So I have already registered one account. So remember, you will need to also register account to able to use the API keys. So we go to the API key. Let's create an API key. So we're going to do a API key and we just name it fitness and submit. And copy this API key and store it in anywhere you think is secure, and you will need this API key later. Next, we're going to the documentation. Go to quick start and select JavaScript and just follow the step that Groq given. So we can just do copy this and go to our Cause IDE. So just stop the website for a while and we can just paste the thing we have copied, copy it and paste it. This will install the Groq API for us. And next, we're going to copy this code and paste it to our workout generator because we are going to all of our work plan is generated in this code. So we're going to paste it on here. So just paste it on here and yeah. And we are not done yet because this code might not be able to use because we are just copy and paste it inside the project.